Hey guys, Matthew Rhodes here with Sierra Pool Co. I want to show you something. I want you to check out this ungodly sound coming from this gas fire pit. Now, the last time I went in to Barbecue Outlet in Santa Ana, they gave me this hose, and it's the wrong hose. It's not a whistle-free hose, as you can tell. And I'm going to use this as a learning experience for you guys. Now, check out the ribs on this hose. They're all evenly spaced. So they're all the exact same space apart from one another. Now, this is a whistle-free hose, and you can see there's two different segments, one with some tight spacing, one with some further apart spacing. And here it is installed. Of course, I went ahead and cut off the tag and buried that better away from the flame. But check out the difference in sound between these two hoses. So much better. Anyways, guys, quick video. I'm a swimming pool contractor. We build a lot of landscapes. And if you like this stuff, please follow along, like and subscribe. Have a good day.